The fourth dimension of service management is value streams and processes. Like the other dimensions, this dimension is applicable to both the service value system in general and to specific products and services. In both contexts, it defines the activities, workflows, controls and procedures needed to achieve agreed objectives. Applied to the organisation and its service value system, the value streams and processes dimension is concerned with how the various parts of the organisation work in an integrated and coordinated way to enable value creation through products and services. The dimension focuses on what activities the organisation undertakes and how they are organised, as well as how the organisation ensures that it is enabling value creation for all stakeholders efficiently and effectively. ITIL gives organisations acting as service providers an operating model that covers all the key activities required to manage products and services effectively. This is referred to as the ITIL service value chain, as shown here. The service value chain operating model is generic, and in practice it can follow different patterns. These patterns within the value chain operation are called value streams. A value stream is a series of steps an organisation undertakes to create and deliver products and services to consumers. A value stream is a combination of the organisation's value chain activities. Value streams combine practices and value chain activities to improve products and services and increase potential value for the consumers and the organisation. A process is a set of interrelated or integrating activities that transform inputs into outputs. A process takes one or more defined inputs and turns them into defined outputs. Processes define the sequence of actions and their dependencies. A process is a set of activities that transform inputs to outputs. Processes describe what is done to accomplish an objective, and well-defined processes can improve productivity within and across organisations. They are usually detailed in procedures which outline who is involved in the process and work instructions which explain how they are carried out. The same structure, value chain, value streams, processes, procedures and work instructions applies to the specific services. To successfully create, deliver and improve a service, the following questions need to be answered. What is the generic delivery model for the service and how does the service work? What are the value streams involved in delivering the agreed outputs of the service? Who or what performs the required service actions? Specific answers to these questions will vary depending on the nature and architecture of the service.